Hello everyone, I will demo you how to use DocSpiral system today. After you register account and log into the system, you will be able to create your own private projects here. Today we will use this public project to demo you how to use the system. So this is a document management page. You can be able to upload, drag and drop here and upload a bunch of the files. It will be uploaded to S3 and show up here with the status 1. Then the layout process model will pick that up and processing the documents. The first icon will be clickable, and you can go into the layout annotation page. You will be able to click the bounding boxes and reassign a label to it. Or if you don't think the annotation is correct, you can click one and try to delete it, or you want to redraw one from here. If you also don't think this layout schema fit your requirements, then you can try to customize your own labels, shortcuts, and hierarchies and colors here very easily. After you've done this, you can mark this as reviewed and we'll go to the stage 3. Then afterwards, the OCR figure formula and table processing models will pick that up and report the results into the system. Then the second icon will be clickable. You will be able to take to this OCR annotation page. And then if you click the left side of the PDF viewer, you will be taken to the corresponding rows in the right side. If you click the right side of the row, you also will be taken to the left side. So you can do the cross-reference and doing the annotation and save it. For the table, figure, and formula annotation, you can easily try to click that row and it will pop up as this. So you can try to review the results and do some editing and then save the results. If you want to do the review, to review the results of the model, you can click the icon to do the review and check the metric things. And if you don't think this result is very good, you can give a good rating. If you don't think the form meets your requirements, you can go to here and this is complex form. We don't really like it. Then we can delete it and save it. Then next time when you open this table, you can see from the annotation page here, the is complex is gone. And you can be able to click this one here to track the latency and accuracy for the OCR, or this one here to track the accuracy and latency for all of the tables. If you want to develop and integrate your models into a system, you can click this one here to check the documentations of the DocSpiral. That's it.